Gaming, and today we're going to be playing paintball big battle with my sister Jonana Banana 60. So let's play. So we call her Joe. So Joe, what team are you on, blue or red? Oh, we're against each other. That's okay. Yeah. We're in a battle. Okay, let's see if we can get any kills over here. Oh, there's a thing over there. Weird. I didn't see it. I like this gun. Oop. I don't know what that was. Okay, let's go through here. Okay, let's see if we see anyone from here. Oh, I see someone. Get him. Okay, on. We gotta be careful for Joe. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta be careful. Run. We're gonna die. We're literally gonna die. Oh, hi. Oh no. Oh, great. Someone's got big kills. 89. Oh my god. Whoa, that was big. That was weird. It was lava. Okay, let's see if we can go around here and get any kills. Well, people are already killing everyone, so I don't think I can get any. Let's see if we can get anyone from here. I don't see anybody. Let's just wait. Oh, I forgot I have zoom in. Okay. Someone spawned up there. No, we can't team. We have to kill each other. Sorry. Then where are you? Oh my gosh, I died. No, that was so bad. Okay, it ended. I just joined this round, so I guess it didn't count. You got more than me. Good job. I smell dinner. Let's play warehouse. What are we eating? Chicken? We're eating chicken. It's gonna taste so good. Okay. I'm trying to get a new gun, so we're gonna save. Same team as you. Red. Okay, we're on the same team. Hey. Okay, let's get some kills. Okay, let's go over here. We gotta be careful over here. Shh. Calm down, don't yell. Ah, they're on the corner. We gotta be very careful. Oh, I got one. I'm in 6th place. Gotcha. Oh, I forgot. I thought she was on my team because she was on my team last time. Okay, we're in the corner too. Let's go up here. Ooh, she died. Maybe we should go there because that team's right over there. Let's see if we can get anyone. Oh, I saw them too. I'm trying to shoot them. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Next video we will be doing Adopt Me. Maybe we can do Adopt Me. We will be opening a bunch of cracked eggs, and we're gonna see if we can get a unicorn out of them. That's our next video for tomorrow or the next day after that. I died. I survived for a long time though. So that's what we're gonna be doing next time. But yeah. See if we can get this one. Oh, I couldn't get her. Okay. You mean Rosy? Okay. Oh, I forgot to sprint. Okay, we did. Maybe Joe. We call her Joe. Maybe we should play Phantom Forces next. Yeah, let's play Phantom Forces next. Maybe we should play Arsenal. I just love killing games like with guns and stuff, like battling and stuff. Whee! I'm 8th place with 1 kill. Are you serious? Get it! Ah! Okay, sprint. Get it. Ah! Okay, we got it. Oh, yeah. The heck? Shooting at me on your own team. Run! I did it. Got it. I got him. Okay, see if we can get him up here. Nope. Yeah, he hid. Got him! I got him! I got 125 tokens. Oh, he came from behind. Or I think it was a girl. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna run. Oh, I see one. Oh, I got him, and then I died also. Ooh, sixth place with 3 kills. Not too shabby or bad. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. I should probably have 4 or 5 kills right now, but I don't. The other guy's got 26 kills. Get him. Got him. Your radar. Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Got him. Got another one. Okay, so we got another one. We got another one right there and there. Oh, she got me. She's got good guns. Okay, let's skip that. You killed someone? Oh, good job. Okay, good job. After this round ends, Jojo. After this round ends, I'm gonna end the video. Run. King Tut's in the back. He's playing on the Nintendo Switch. Brother or sister. Got him. Okay, we got our radar. Go here again. I think we're right here. They're all over here. I don't think there's any over here. What the heck? Why did you say mama? Okay, oh, I see a robot. Get it. Okay, got it. Okay, let's see if we can get it. People, here he is. Got him. Oh, he went through the wall, kinda. I went through the wall, kinda. That was kind of cheating almost. But that was a good shot. I got 9 kills. If you can see the purple head girl's Joe. And she is doing good. She's got 13 kills, 4th place. Let's go. Get it. Oh. Well, the next gun we're gonna get is this one. Oh wait, we have enough. Well, let's see what one we want. Let's get the minigun. Yeah, we'll save up for that one definitely. Okay, let's get this one for now. This one's good. Not really good, but it's fine. Oh, I'm coming too. She's right over there. The happy face. They're up top. Oh, that guy's so good. He's got 43 kills. That is pretty darn good. I'm surprised. Ooh, that was cool. Okay, so we gotta go behind them. So we're gonna go around this way. Careful. Oh, he's got a good gun. I think he has this one, the brave gun. No, it looks like he has the party gun. Oh my gosh. That is a lot. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Joe and King are talking in the back. Okay, so we're gonna stay here and see if we can get anyone. Oh my gosh, he came from behind. That's what I was gonna do. Okay, maybe I should actually do that. Oh, he died. Okay, good. Okay, good. Ah, funny. Oh my gosh, they came in our spawn area. Well, that's gonna suck. We spawned in the other corner. Like, what are we gonna do? We have to go over there now. I think it's this corner at least. If I'm pretty sure I'm making my corrections. Let's go in the middle. I don't know if that's safe either. I see someone right there. And I see a bot over there. Come get me. Can't get me. Maybe from here though. Oh, come on. You can die. Okay. Well, that sucks. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button and subscribe for more. and turn on notifications for more videos so you get notified if I post any more videos. And I love you, my roses, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!